Hi friends, welcome to Usha's Little Kitchen. Today friends, I am going to make a Maggi, vegetable Maggi. For that vegetable I am taking cabbage, spring onion, carrot, onion, frozen peas, little bit garlic. Friends, first we have to make a vegetable for our noodles. So I have cut all the vegetables. Now first we will make a vegetable. Let us go inside the video. For that I put one pan. In that pan I'm going to switch on the gas, and I'm going to put about 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil should become hot. See, our oil is hot. I'll put one small teaspoonful of cumin seeds. See, the cumin seed is just start becoming golden brown. At this time we will add the onion first. We don't want to make the onion so brown, just translucent only. Three small cloves I have this garlic I have taken, and I have chopped the garlic. Four green chili I have cut it into small pieces, and I am adding that also in that. Now our onion is done. I am going to add the vegetables one by one. First I will add the carrot. Now I am adding the peas, that is mutton, peas. Adding the cabbage. And spring onion. And salt according to the taste. In the slow fire, we will saute this vegetable for at least 5 minutes. We don't want to cook the vegetable so tender. The vegetable should be little bit crunchy only in this. So in the slow fire, let it cook for at least 5 minutes. See now, for last 5 minutes and our vegetable is cooking. Still we require to cook for some more time because the carrot takes little bit time to cook. In this stage, we can add some masalas in this. Dry masalas, just like I am going to put 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder. It gives a beautiful aroma in this vegetable. Half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder. This is homemade Maggi masala. This recipe also I have given in my channel. I have put one video for this also. You can go and watch that also if you want. Mix everything nicely. Nice, very nice aroma is coming. Let it cook for another 5 more minutes. See friends, our vegetable is ready. I'll cover this and I'll keep it separate in this side. Now I'll make noodles. Today I'm going to make noodles in this ramen noodles. It's very nice and it is easily available in Amazon. It's very nice and very easy to make also. I'll show you how to make this. And these noodles comes in a packet, very good packed, nicely available. And I think I have made several times with this. It comes out very nicely. If you want, you can order it from Amazon. And we have shared the link for this. You can order it from that also. Now I'll show you how to cook this. For making noodles, I put one pan. In that pan, friends, it's just like it looks like this cake types. I'm going to put 4 cakes today. So for one cake, you have to put 2 cups of water. So I'm going to use for 1 cup to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for 4 cups I have put 8 cups of water. Let the water we have to boil the water, then only we have to add the noodles. So for making this ramen noodle, very easy. First we have to put the water in a boil. First we have to make a water to be boiled, then we have to add the noodles cake in that. Let the water get boiled. See friends, water start boiling. At this stage we will add the noodles one by one. And switch off the flame. Our noodle is done. I'll rinse the water and wash this our noodles in a cold water. Now I'll rinse this water. See friends, I have washed in a cold water and our Maggi is done. Now I'll bring the vegetable kadai here. See. This, I'll put the noodles. I'll put half spoon of pepper. and some chili flakes. See, our noodle is done. Now I will plate this noodle. I'll show you. I'll serve it and I'll show you. Hi friends, look at this. Our hot noodle is ready. Vegetable noodles I have made. It is ready. You also try according to the step which I have told you. It is so yummy. If you try, and if you like my video, please subscribe it and share it. Like it and share it. I'll come along with another good recipe. Till then, goodbye. Take care.